Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a spreadsheet in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my full YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets, and here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to delete, tap on the three dots next to its name, scroll down, and at the bottom we find remove. If you tap on this, then we can move the spreadsheet trash. And if we changed our mind and we actually need it back, we can just go into the top left corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on trash, and view our trash can and what we have deleted, and we can actually restore it like this, or we can delete it forever, however we like. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.